Hi, I'm Rich, WB5YBZ, and I guess last year I was helping my brother-in-law, Paul, put in some stands with just using PVC. Well, in the Oklahoma wind, it just didn't really work out. They would blow over and stuff like that. So we found this new stand. I'll put the link on the description. But let me just sort of show you what we got, how we put everything up. We're using an 8-foot, 1.5 PVC pole now, and it's the stand is really stable. We put some bricks on it and things, as you'll see, and hopefully we'll get a couple of bigger bricks on the one. We have some smaller bricks on that. So let's go on over to the video and let me show you what we have. Thanks so much for watching. Hey Paul, turn around this way and say hi.
Hey.
All right, here we are at Paul's house. We have his 80-meter full-wave loop coming up over the garage here. Well, that didn't stick very good today.
No, well,
we have it coming up, and we found these. Do you remember what company this is?
I know.
Your instructions? Well, we have an 8-foot PVC. We decided this would be good to have the balun at eye level. This is a Balun Designs 4-to-1 balun. Then we have it coming over to the other one here, and we have a spring up here to, as you can see, gets some of the slack out. We have 2 bricks on this thing, and this is also 8 feet tall. It goes up to that tree up there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Then it comes over to the tree over here. Now let me see if I can get there. I think that is, you can see the spring on that as well. And then that goes over to the garage, which is over in this way. That's how we have it mounted, but I really like this. I think it's very stable. These are pretty heavy as far as weight wise, but I think it's going to do him a real good job as far as strength. This is a 1.5 inch PVC. And I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.